I'm a little scared. We'll fly together, it's fun. Okay, here I go. You're flying. Woohoo! This is amazing.
Little one, the sky awaits.
But I'm scared.
Trust your wings. Follow me.
Wow, it's beautiful.
See? You can fly.
Come on, let's fly. Okay, but I'm a little scared. Don't be. Follow me. Wow, we're flying so high. See, it's fun. Yeah, best day ever. Ready for an adventure? Yes, let's fly. Whee, this is fun. Look, pretty flowers. So beautiful. Let's explore more. Don't be scared, little ones. The storm can't hurt us here.
But it's so loud and scary. I know, but we're together. Listen to my song.
Okay, it's helping. Mama, the storm is so scary.
Shh, little one. I'm here.
But the lightning.
It can't hurt us in the nest. Be brave.
Okay, Mama. The storm is getting worse. We have to hurry. I'm scared. The lightning. Stay close. We'll make it together. Look out! Almost there. Keep flying. Wow, the sunset is so beautiful.
It looks magical.
Let's go explore.
An excellent idea. Follow me.
Wee, this is fun. We're flying so high. I'm ready for my first flight. You can do it. We're here cheering for you. Here I go. Fly high, little owl. The sky's beautiful. Thank you, everyone.